Hi friends, now we have Dell Vostro 14 3000 series laptop. In this laptop now we are going to install Windows 11. We already inserted a pen drive, bootable pen drive. Now we will select next, then install now. Then select I accept the agreement, then click next, then custom. In custom you will get an option, we could not find any drives. To get a storage driver, click load drive. For this we need to go to the BIOS setup. Close it, press the F12 button or F10. In this model we need to select F12. In F12 we need to select BIOS setup. In the BIOS setup window you will get an option called boot configuration. In the boot configuration integrated device storage, yes, select the storage option. In the storage option you will get an option called AHCI or NVMe. Change SATA or NVMe operation. SATA or NVMe operation status changed. Changing the settings may prevent your operating system from booting or require to reinstall, or should want to continue. Yes, select the yes button, then apply changes. Are you sure you want to apply your changes? Press this OK button, then exit. Now you have just to press the F12 button to boot with the USB pen drive. Preparing one-time boot menu, and then select this UEFI SanDisk. This is my Windows 11 bootable pen drive. Wait for a few seconds. Now we will check it. Press the next button, install now. I accept the agreement, then click next button, then custom. In the custom you will get, now you will get 10 hard disk. This is the 500 GB SSD NVMe hard disk. We will create the partition. GB we will make it as C drive and click OK. And then this is the E drive partition. Create it, click the C drive, then install next. Maybe your problem has been solved out. Thank you.